Good morning, guys. So it is the next day in Istanbul. We got all ready and went for breakfast before we left the hotel. This is what I had for breakfast, and we left directly after that. We went to Bekirköy. It is a market in Istanbul. It is very famous for clothes and food here. You get wedding gowns of different colors and designs here. So we had shawarma for lunch along with some fresh juices and fries. Then we left again for shopping. You get amazing trendy clothes everywhere in this market. We did explore a lot of these shops. After the shopping, we went to search for the cabs to go back to the hotel. Then we met a cute boy. Can I also touch you?
He's so soft. Melanie, touch him.
Over I go. She. Sure. So cute. How can you be so cute? No. See you. See. He's sad only. Jelly cutie, how's your cutie? Then we finally got the cab and we left for the hotel. It also started raining in between. We reached our hotel. So hi guys, I am back in my hotel after exploring this place, and I did a little bit of shopping from here and there. So I'll show you what all I got from this layover. So I have everything in this bag and a separate bag. So I'll show you one by one what all I got. So first things first. Kitty. Got some accessories. I got this chain I got from here. It's a pretty chain. So the next thing is, ta-da! Okay, I got this set of earrings. I'll just show you. So this is how it looks. It's in a pair of 3 and I got it for a very good price, I would say. Can't wait to wear them. A bracelet. This is the bracelet. It has a coin, small coin, silver color. I love this one. And first I'll show you the skincare thing that I got. I got this Neutrogena ka Hydra Boost, and I cannot figure out what exactly it is. So I'm assuming this is a face wash. So I'll try and see what exactly it is. But a new launch in Neutrogena, so hoping for the best if this is a face wash. Then I got, this is from one of the local brands here. This is Goat's Milk Ultra Light Face Cream Moisturizing and Smoothing. It has SPF 15 in this, medium protection. So the brand is Ziaja. So I will try and get back to you on this. Then the next thing is I got a SPF. This is B Beauty with SPF 50 plus Dermoline. It's a sunscreen. And then I got this rose ka essential oil. I don't take steam very often, but if I do, I like some essential oils in that. I want to smell this, but I don't want to open the bottle because then it will leak. I need to take it back to Mumbai. Next thing up, we have this Wet n Wild ka primer. So it's a primer serum and or base serum which has rose water and watermelon extract. So I wanted to buy a primer for a very long time. I have stopped using primer now, but then I wanted to try this. I'm hoping to try this very soon and see how it is on my skin. It's shimmery. So next up we have this Beautify It ka BB cream in the shade Pale Almond, and I don't have any BB cream with me. I have not used any BB cream, I think, to be very honest. So this is the first time I bought a BB cream, that too from Istanbul. So put it in the wrong place. Sorry guys, I'm still learning. Sorry. Is this blusher from the brand called Show My Pastel. It's, I don't know the shade. They told me it's Sunny, so I'm assuming the shade is Sunny. Oh, this has flower. This is pink, like a peach and pink kind of shade, but it looks brown in the camera. This is, it's very soft, very velvety finish. Oh my god, I tried this chocolate here. This chocolate is so amazing. It has a lot of flavors. It has salt, sugar, and a lot of pomegranate extract. Trust me, this is the best chocolate I ever tried, and so I thought of buying this chocolate. I had this last time. ये मैंने खरीदा था एक chocolate and I loved it so much कि मैंने इसे हर shop में ढूंढा, and finally निकलते time I got it, so I had to buy this. This is very good. This is apple tea powder. So you just have to put hot water, like छोटी सी quantity में hot water डालना है, and this tasted so yummy. मतलब you cannot even imagine apple का भी चाय होता है. This is like 100 grams of apple tea. I can't wait to have this again, and it is that good. This is very famous, so I had to get this. This is a detox. It is jasmine tea. And yeah, so that is all guys. That is all I got from this layover. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now we'll be resting for some time because we have a 7 hours flight from here to Mumbai. We'll be landing in the morning. Yeah, so I'll rest for some time. See you. Thank you so much for watching till here.